everyone, I'm welcoming you all to my channel. This is Hilda again, and it's good to have you back. Today I'm going to be working in a client's house. I'm going to be fixing the floor, and I want to share with you guys because some of these things are not so easy to do. You need to commission someone to do it, but I've been doing this for a client and I want to show you. So anytime you want to fix your floor, laminate floor, you can just go back and scroll on this video and it will be very helpful. Let me just show you around, show you the entry room, so you can see how I'm starting from the scratch, okay? Stay tuned.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes.
Now guys, I'm going to remove these borders.
Never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something.
I still have some of them here. I'm just going to straighten it off. See?
Push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never cancel.
So I'm going to be throwing this away because I don't really need them. I'm going to be putting the new one, and these are the ones I'm going to be replacing them with. I'd like to show you guys all the tools that I'll be needing. I'm going to be needing this glue. It's a universal all-in-one glue. I'm going to be using it to glue the borders. So this is what you're going to need for that. You're also going to be needing a plastic spacer to put at the edge of the wall, between the wall and the laminate wood, okay? You're going to be also needing a hammer, like a flat hammer. If you have the one that is plastic, sometimes it's useful. And also, I'm going to be needing these special tools. This is a Bosch wood cutter. I'm going to be using it to cut the laminate to the sizes that I want to lay on the floor. So I'm going to start right away.
I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build
Laminate floor that I'll be using, it comes in a pack, and for the whole house I'm going to be using. This is a laminating flooring that I'm going to be using, and this is to protect the laminate from sound, from noise, and also it is water resistant, air can come through it, and also it's suitable for heavy things. So this is a very good one, and I'm going to start laying it now.
never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb.
Laminating a floor is not just an easy thing to do, but it all has to do with techniques. The first laying of the floor, they are quite easy because it's just arranging them and clicking them. But as you keep going into doing this work, you understand that it is more complex than you see it to be. But it's actually also easy because these laminates are meant to click with each other. It is like a puzzle, and if you get the right form of fixing it, it wouldn't be so complex. It would be more easier.
How is it supposed to feel? They wanna sing my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't playing no games, I just do that's fact, and I don't feel no shame. It's a mood you lack.
And even also cutting the laminate is systematic. You really know how to do it, what to do, where to place them, and you find out that if you cut one, it will be useful for you to start the other side. So it's quite more of calculating what you want to do, how you want to place them, and you'll find out you wouldn't need to waste too much laminate. And you realize the more you keep doing it, the more fun it becomes. It becomes so easy, it comes out automatically. because you're getting it right. And this is what a puzzle is. And this laminating of floor is also a puzzle. It is a game. It is something that you just have to do with a cool head, and it will come out easily for you without stress.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light, ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel?
As you can see, guys, I'm almost getting to the end of building this laminate floor, and it's becoming a little bit tighter that my camera cannot get to that focus point that I wanted to. So I went ahead and fixed it off camera, and I just want to show you the end and around the whole edge of this wall, and just for you to see the complete work that I have done so far. This is my second time of laminating a floor, and this is actually my first time of flooring a whole room, and I think I've done a good job so far. What do you guys think? Please drop your comments and tell me what you think about my work, if you liked it, and please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share this video with somebody you think would like it. Thank you very much.
Every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread with every word that I've said. How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel?